How to turn on Do Not Disturb on your device. The Do Not Disturb option is available on your notification bar, and the process is very similar for both iPhone and Android. Roll down your notification bar and extend the options. Here you will see the option Do Not Disturb. Simply click on it to turn it on. So this is how simple it is to turn on Do Not Disturb. But just in case you can't find the option on your notification bar, go to your settings. In settings, click on the search icon. Now at the search bar, type in Do Not Disturb. You will see the option pop up right away. Click on Do Not Disturb. Now in this interface, you will see a switch icon. Click on the switch icon to turn it on. So this is specifically for notifications. If you want more service, then click on Do Not Disturb Permissions. Now again, click on Do Not Disturb Permission to access more features. So it is how simple it is to use the options. If you still can't find the option, then give your device a quick restart. After giving your device a quick restart, then check again. So that is all for today. Thank you.